adversary lisho umuntu ommelene nawe. Lisho umuntu owenza njani? Yes, lisho umuntu ommelene nawe. Ni adversary. NgesiHebrew legama elithi adversary lithi antidikos.
In Hebrew, the word adversary means antidikos.
Yeah, lithi antidikos. That means umuntu ommelene nawe, opponent, umuntu the person that stands against you.
Amen.
And then uma ngabe uSathane amelana nawe,
And when Satan stands against you,
udinga something azokwazi ukuthi amelane nawe ngayo.
you will need something that will stand against
And
you.
lento azoyithola ukuthi amelane nawe uzoyithola kuwe.
And that thing that he wants to stand against you, he will get it from you.
Ngiyakhuluma le verse ethi uSathane ningamniki two.
You remember the verse that means you mustn't give Satan a chance.
Yes, uSathane doesn't have much.
Satan akanawo.
He doesn't even have a knowledge about you.
Akanazi ngenhlakaniphilo.
Uzolindela wena ukhulume
He will
ukuthi
need you
mina
to speak.
ukuthi mina ngisehluleki.
He will require you to tell yourself that you are
Wena
failing.
na uthi mina ngisehluleki yena uzoza eme kulokusho kwakho.
If you tell yourself that you are a failure,
Ukuthi vele wena yini usehluleki. He doesn't have much to fight with. Udinga just wena ukuthi wena